How to tag a person on Instagram. If you want to tag someone in a post, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the bottom center. Choose a photo or video from your gallery, then tap Next. Here, you can apply a filter or edit your post if you want. Once you're ready, tap Next again. On this screen, you will see an option called Tag People. Tap on it, then tap anywhere on the photo. A search bar will appear where you can type the username of the person you want to tag. Select their account from the list and their name will appear on the image. You can drag the tag to position it where you want. If you need to remove the tag, tap on their name and then select Remove Tag. If you are posting a video, tagging works the same way. Just tap Tag People, then enter the username of the person you want to tag. You can also tag multiple people if needed. Once you are done, tap Done at the top right. Now, whenever you post this photo or video, the person you tagged will receive a notification. That's how to tag a person on Instagram.